ruins of fallen empires. Smoke dissolves in cosmic funeral pyres. What was war becomes a song unheard. Whispers now replace the shouting word. The final blades laid bare in shifting sand. Storms no weapon forged by man can stand. The tides are turning, skies rearrange. This is not revenge, this is change. Thunderstorm rising, but we don't run. We open our hands to the radiant sun. No swords, no shields, just a world to mend. The storm is not our foe, it's our friend. Let the lightning teach, let the thunder cry. Those who love will never die. Flooded lands and trembling mountain spines. The planets speak in geometric signs. Old kings fall without a final blow. They fade where friendship dares to grow. Matriarchs now rise, not to command, but to remind us of the earth's own hand. She won't be ruled, she won't be tamed, but she will nurture if we're not ashamed. Thunderstorm rising, but we stand still. Rooted deep with ancestral will. Not as armies, but as kin who hear the ancient song that's drawing near. Let it ring, let it cleanse, let it shine. We were never theirs, we are the line. These are not battles you can win with rage, not with bullets, nor by turning the page. The storm is the teacher, the age. Rising, rising, not to destroy, but to rebirth. Echoes of the cosmos flowing through earth. Thunderstorm rising, we're not afraid. We plant our dreams in the storm she made.